Hello my fellow family foodie friends. Today I'm sharing with you a very quick video on how I make air fryer bacon. I use this when I need to make just a couple pieces, mainly for breakfast or to make a sandwich, and it's perfect to not make an entire package in the oven. I get my air fryer to 350, I cook it for 5 minutes on one side, I flip each piece of bacon, cook for 5 more minutes on the other side. I personally like my bacon to be a little flimsy, but if you like it to be a little more on the burnt or stiff side, you can do it for a couple more minutes. Once again, this is the method I use if I'm only trying to make a piece or two at a time. As you can see, I'm making this to go on top of toast. I wasn't going to make the entire package, so what's the sense in heating up the oven? That is what I love my air fryer for, are to make simple snacks to reduce time and to not have to use my oven. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go make your bacon. Thanks so much for watching. Chow down and ciao.